to part 6. Now we are in Taksim on the water side. Karakoy. Here we have a lot of fish restaurants. How you can see, and the smell is very strong. I will get sick and warming from the fish smell. I don't like fish smell, but it's good. The water and the sunshine. The water is like plastic waving. It's beautiful, really. How you can see, here are many halal families and also Chinese. It's a beautiful place. Here you have like sunshine secure proof to protect you from sunshine. It's amazing modern idea, and you are sitting near on the water. So this is a star restaurant, very, very popular fish restaurant. Also,
but here not from too much expensive and fars.
Yeah, my co-partner Ali was one time here. He spent 7,000 lira with his friends. The fish is too much expensive, and it's small fish, small. You will see in his
And taste is not good.
Taste is not good.
Also,
Well, it's not good. It's not fresh. So here we go. We see. We go to the water side. How you can see, there is the kitchen. I show you a little bit the restaurant inside. We have permission from the owner. The other side. So amazing. No, thank you. So from here you can see the water side. It's amazing. You see the full city. This is Marmara Bali, also a genius food restaurant. The Neptune Bali, it's a fish restaurant deluxe. It's always full. But here you can see the prices, so you can understand how much is what working. Also, we mentioned the Saray restaurant. There you have the prices. Wait. And the Zeno is always empty because I show you the price list. It's a typical shisha. Here we will show you the price list, so you understand a little bit how what it costs, how much, and how you can see it's a little bit fraud. Co-partner, don't walk far away. So here is the beauty of Istanbul. A luxuous family yacht. They book for one day. So there, how you can see. Second one. It's like in 365 this movie or 50 Shades of Grey, when somebody know what I mean. We have here a big bridge. It's amazing. The water is so interesting. It's like plastic, it's waving. You can see the waves. It's amazing. And there is a crane. They make new buildings again. It's such fascinating. Karakoy it's called. It's very, very near on Taksim. There we have a mosque. Very nice. There we have, I can zoom, the tower. It's very, very beautiful, mashallah. my and Ali's subscribers. Be ready for part 7. See you soon. Bye. Keep it halal.